ഞങ്ങളുടെ ശരിക്കുള്ള സ്കൂളിനേക്കാളും കുറേ ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയ ക്ലാസ് റൂംസ് ആണ് ഇവിടെ.
This is the best choice I had ever made in my life.
Alice in Wonderland and Alice. Can you name who she is? Alice, very good. Any other choices? What else? Anything? Dress.
That big bird is very hot.
She was feeling so hungry. What is a nap? She's more asleep. Said, oh, Papa Bear, somebody has left in my bed. Oh, so I'm really hungry. You like Alice? Do you like Alice? Papa Bear. Which one do you like? Excuse me, may I have your kind attention, please?
Yes.
So, today we are gathered here for a group discussion. So, I think you all are familiar with all the etiquettes and manners you have to follow when you are in a group discussion. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. So, today's topic for the group discussion is very interesting and at the same time it is very relevant in this social context. And this is purely about the educational sector. And the topic is school going versus homeschooling. It's time for your kind contributions. So you can express your own opinions and views on this topic. Who do you love to speak about this?
Homeschool is a method that helps children who are not well, for example, who are not well in their legs or hands, and also it helps to parents that they can guide their child well.
I agree to your points, but I am concerned that in school going there is an interaction between friends and teachers, and there is an opportunity for every students to grab different informations and skills. In homeschooling there is no social interactions, so it may affect your mental health.
It is very homeschooling is very useful to parents because now the kids are going wrong ways. When they are very good boys, but when they are going to school, the bad kids make them to bad. Then in homeschooling, parents can watch the kids in every time, and they can bond the relationship with love.
I prefer school going. School going should be interested. Not only you will learn all subjects, but only you will learn new skills, including social skills. School going should be help you us to start a new life or build a future. After learning new skills, subjects, you can build a future with this. Example. Through these new skills, children can each and everyone can develop their skills through PT, PE and sports day competitions.
In homes also it was possible because the mother in some schools the kids are scared to teachers. In homes they don't fear to their parents, so they can clear the doubts. But in some kids was very poor to studies, but the parents can understand the kid and they can learn with simple tips. How can you explain?
Homeschooling also game very expensive than school. These costs direct like computers, education trips.
Because only homeschool we need a mobile to clear our doubts. Our mother have knowledge, and our mother there are no school going is very expensive because we have to give fees, funds, etc. But in homeschool we don't do that.
Total amount of the school children are paying to the school manager or principals to give their computers to see.
Monthly fees are also now like 2,500 rupees. No, all month we have to wait. But in homeschool, mother will teach us.
Not only the mothers and fathers are more educated, all mothers are not educated
So
very
there's
well.
a reason for mobiles. Mobiles are now a big development. It can help to learn like simple. There are so many apps like YouTube, Google, etc. And we can clear our doubts with that apps.
The reason is the mobile. Online schools are expensive
In homes we don't use online because our mother is in home. So there is no need to online classes.
The main reason is that children can be addicted to phones and they will use.
Parents can watch the kids every time because they are at home.
What about the works of the parents? They have to work as well. They have to make money for the children to work.
Both homeschooling and school going have its own advantages and disadvantages, and it's also important to our society also.
Hi, I am Roshna Sunil.
Hi, I am Evan.
I am Bharat Arun.
I am Aisha Tanha.
ഹായ്, എൻ്റെ പേരെല്ലാം മേരി ജോസഫ്.
ഈ വെക്കേഷന് എനിക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് എടുക്കാൻ താല്പര്യം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
First of all, I thank you, the Cochin Academic Institution, and my Danamis.
അവർ ടീച്ചറെ പോലെയല്ല പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്, ഒരു ഫ്രണ്ടിനെ പോലെയാണ് പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്.
ഭയങ്കര ഷൈ ആയിരുന്നു.
ഇവിടുത്തെ സ്റ്റാഫ്സ് ഒക്കെ വളരെ കൂളാണ്.
കേസും ഭയങ്കര സപ്പോർട്ടാണ്.
Now I have improved a lot more.
നമുക്കവിടെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഒക്കെ പറയാൻ കഴിയുന്നുണ്ട്.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ ശരിക്കുള്ള സ്കൂളിനേക്കാളും കുറേ ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയ ക്ലാസ് റൂംസ് ആണ് ഇവിടെ.
We have many facilities to study, like a positive atmosphere.
Our classes contain so many games.
എനിക്ക് ഇമ്പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഇവിടെ കുറേ ഫെസിലിറ്റീസ് ഉണ്ട്.
I really thank this academy.
This is the best choice I had ever made in my life.
Cochin Academy for Language Studies, Aluva Metro Station, Cochin. Phone 9061 056313.